In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a TikTok edit on CapCut. We'll start by opening CapCut, and you can use either the web editor on your computer or the mobile app on your phone. Once you're in, create a new project so you have a blank timeline ready to go. Before you add anything, set the project to a vertical format by choosing 9:16. That aspect ratio is the standard for TikTok, which means your video will fill the screen without black bars and your subject will stay front and center. If you don't see the option immediately, look for the canvas or ratio setting and switch it to 9:16. Next, import the video you want to edit. Drag and drop your clip into the media area or tap to upload, then place it on the main timeline. If you're using multiple clips, line them up in the order you want the story to play. Keep an eye on the loudest beats or key moments in your audio or action, because that will guide your cuts. Now it's time to split the video into segments. Move the playhead to the exact frame where you want a change to happen, usually on a beat, a movement, or a scene change. Then use the split tool to cut. Continue scrubbing, pausing at each moment you want to emphasize, and splitting again. Shorter segments often make the edit feel punchier on TikTok. Take your time here. Zoom into the timeline if you need more precision, and replay each cut to make sure it lands right on the beat. Clean cuts make everything that follows look more intentional, so don't rush. If a cut feels late or early, nudge it a few frames until it clicks. With your splits in place, add transitions between the segments. Select the small transition slot that appears between two clips to open the transition library. This is where you can add style and momentum to your edit. Head over to the Hits category in the Transitions library. This section contains high-energy effects that pair well with fast cuts and dramatic beats. Choose the transition called Bloody Mist. Apply it between two clips, then adjust its duration so it doesn't overwhelm the flow. Shorter durations typically feel snappier and keep attention focused on the content. Repeat that same Bloody Mist transition for every split you made so your edit has a consistent look and rhythm. Play through the timeline, tweak any timing, and keep everything aligned to the beat for the most satisfying result. And that's it. Your TikTok-ready CapCut edit is complete.